Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing some goodies that I picked up from Hermes. I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you like my content, please give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, black and gold style. I actually went to Hermes to get one item, but ended up getting quite a few. The first one is this t-shirt dress, which is so cute. This one is in a size extra small, and initially I wanted to get it in a black color because I have an outfit in mind that I wanted to create, but unfortunately that color was sold out. However, I fell in love with this shade. I love the way this color looks with the gold jewelry. This dress is perfect for a daily wear and a hot weather. I think I need to alter it and make the length a little bit shorter. And here's a picture in white from the website. I like that style and I think it can be styled quite nicely. Also, here is a receipt for all the items. I'm not gonna open it. Alright, what do we have here? Actually, I got all of these goodies, but then I had to travel, so I never unboxed it. I thought I would save it when I will have my post-holiday blues. And it was actually a good idea to open it later because at least I have something to look forward to. Maybe I'll do it again in the future. I actually ran out of all my lipsticks, and the funny thing is, Chanel did not have anything available. I went to several stores and literally nothing that I typically buy in the stores is available. I'm very surprised about it. And the same was actually in Thailand. I asked about the same items and everything was sold out. And luckily I was able to find similar colors at Hermes. I love the packaging of this set, it's so nice. And the first one is the balm, it's see-through and it's great for a daily use. I even finished my lip balms, so it's good to find a replacement. I typically apply it at home, especially when using the aircon. And here is the second one, and it has a nice lighter shade. It's matte, which is great. I'll show to you how all the colors look. By the way, all of them are sold out separately, so you can actually buy them separately, but I decided to get the whole set because I need all three of them. And here is another shade, it's a bit darker. Actually, it looks a lot darker, but I'll show to you how both of these colors look side by side. As you can see, it's not that dark. And the other shade is even lighter. I love these colors. I will definitely get more lipsticks from Hermes in the future. I think I'll come back to the store soon and will get some for my mom. I think she would like them. Here is the number of the second one, by the way. I also decided to try on their hand cream. It smells quite good and I like the fact that it's only 50 milliliters, so I can easily carry it with me when traveling, which is convenient. This one also comes in a bigger packaging and they had other ones as well. Actually a nice range. And also my sales associate told me that in the future they are planning to have some eyeshadows, which is fantastic. I also got this lip oil and the shade is similar to the lipsticks that I showed to you just now. I got it because I need something to moisturize my lips, especially when in the office. The aircon dries my lips so much, so I have to apply something like that on a regular basis. And especially when on a plane, it would help me so much. The shade is quite nice and I like it. I'll definitely buy more in the future. I was also given some Hermes perfume testers and I can't wait to try on some of them. I love Hermes perfume and most of my favorite perfume bottles are from the brand. I was previously asked to record a video about my favorite perfumes. I think I'll do it in the future, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. I will probably post it in a couple of weeks, so please stay tuned. I also got some nail polish. I basically ran out of everything and I had to replace the empty bottles. I just love the packaging, it's so cute. I'm not sure what's happening, but I basically cannot find decent colors. Chanel doesn't have anything, Sephora doesn't have anything, even local drugstores don't have the colors that I like. The last time I even ended up purchasing a nail polish from my nail salon. I don't like gel and I use normal nail polish. I definitely need the same color at home with me, and especially if I'm traveling. During my last trip, I was so frustrated. I tried to find a nail salon to fix my nail and they actually did a horrible job. So yeah, I don't want to have this kind of unnecessary stress. So I need to have the perfect colors. And I'm quite pleased that Hermes has this range. I'm definitely going to be buying from them in the future. The shade is quite similar to mine, except it's a bit darker. The one that I have has to be applied 2 times, but this one can be applied once, which is great. I think I'll go back to Hermes and get some other colors that I liked, and I'll show to you as well. And here is the last box that I'll be unboxing with you today. This are actually the reason why I came to the store. I spotted them online and I just fell in love with them. And I was so surprised that they have the right color and the size that I need. They feel so comfortable and I think I'll be able to wear them quite often. And I can style so many outfits with them. These days I'm just so obsessed with loafers and these are so cute. Here they are. Actually, I have to remove the stickers, otherwise they will stain my shoes. I really love these ones and I might actually get more shoes from Hermes as well. There are many cute designs that I like and the quality is so good, so why not? And the sizes are also available, which is fantastic. I'm just obsessed with loafers. It's just so my style these days. I don't even want to wear heels. Well, of course I still wear heels, but not as much as I used to. I practically never took them off in the past. But now I'm just gravitating towards loafers and I feel like I need to have more designs. And it goes so well with my outfits, either with work clothes or with my going out outfits. Anyways guys, this is it. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you like my content, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!